Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. I am Sister Ankita Ratha welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Try to Learn with me. So guys, before starting my video, I would like to request you all to please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to tick the bell icon. So guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about the most important part of the English grammar. You can call it base, you can call it the foundation of the English grammar also. So what is that? That is parts of speech. So if you are preparing for your competitive exam, if you are preparing for your spoken English, this video will be very helpful for you. So guys, are you excited? Then let's get started. So before discussing about the parts of speech, we have to discuss about the what is sentence. So what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes sense. So एक ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जो सेंस क्रिएट करता है, वो होता है सेंटेंस. So speech, parts of speech mean sentences. So sentences की parts कौन सब है? So a group of words, that means all the words are the parts of the sentences. Then what is parts of speech? Parts of speech is words are classified into so many different groups according to their use and function in a sentences. Those groups are called parts of speech. So एक सेंटेंस में बहुत ही सारे वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं. So एक सेंटेंस में बहुत ही सारे वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं. All the words are playing different role. So according to their role, according to their function, they are divided into different parts. Just like, look at this sentence. Swati dances very well. Swati dances very well. There are 4 words. Swati dances very well. There are 4 words. All the words are different from each other. How? Means Swati. What is Swati? Swati is subject. जो कार्य को कर रही है वो हो गया subject. Then dances means नाचना, means कार्य, verb. Dance is verb. Then very well. If dance is verb, then well क्या है? Well means अच्छा कर रही है, अच्छा क्या कर रही है, अच्छा जो कर रही है वो हो गया हमारा verb. स्वाति dances very well. अच्छा वो नाचती है. Then dance is a verb. Then अच्छा क्या है? अच्छा एक verb नहीं है, अच्छा एक compliment है. So we can't add well to a verb part. So in which group we will add the word well? To know about this, please watch this video till the end. So guys, you have already clear about the parts of speech. So please write down the definition. Words are classified into so many groups according to their use and function in a sentence. Those groups are called parts of speech. So there are 8 parts of speech in our English grammar: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So let's talk about noun. So guys, what is a noun? Do you know? You all have known that. So noun is the name. Noun is the name. Noun is the name of any place, any person or thing. Everything, every place, your home, Ranpur, Bhubaneswar, Khordha, Delhi, Mumbai, the name of every place is called noun. Even you can take the roof. The roof is also a name of the place. So roof is also a noun. So you can take the name of every place. Those are noun. Then thing. You can take everything, your phone, your pen, your pencil, your book. So everything you look around you is called noun. Then name. Name means my name is Ankita. Ankita is also a noun. Ram, Sita, Mohan, Swati. So the name of every person is also a noun. Then there are another type of noun which we can't see. Means the relationship between me and my friend. What is that? The relationship between me and my friend is friendship. Means the name of my relation to my friend, with my friend, is friendship. That means friendship is also a noun. So like that, love, motherhood, brotherhood, all the name of the relationship also is called noun. You can take everything, every person, every place, everything, the name of those is called noun. So guys, there are 5 types of noun in which I will discuss in my future video, which is specifically made for noun. So noun plays several role in a sentence. जैसे कि Rahul tries to increase his business. Rahul tries to increase his business. Here Rahul is the noun. Okay. Tries is a verb, means वो try कर रहा है. To increase भी हो गया एक verb, वो increase करने के लिए try कर रहा है. So increase भी हो गया है एक verb. Then business, what is the business? So वो क्या बढ़ाने के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है? वो बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है. देन बिजनेस इज ऑल्सो ए नाउन बिकॉज इट इज अ नेम. सो हियर राहुल इज द नाउन which is also a subject, means जो कार्यों को कर रहा है. Noun is Rahul is also a subject. Then what is business? Business is the object. So here in this sentence, noun plays a different role. Means here the noun is also a subject and the noun plays the role of the object also. We can use noun in possessive case also. So what is that? It is Rahul's bag. It is Rahul's bag. Rahul is a noun. Rahul's bag. Rahul raw bag. राहुल का बैग है. सो बैग का ओनर कौन है? राहुल. सो राहुल बैग को पोजेस कर रहा है. सो हियर द नाउन इज यूज्ड एज अ पोसेसिव केस. So in my future video, which is specifically made for noun, in that video I will make you understand the detail about noun, means about gender, about feminine and masculine gender, about the plural noun, singular noun, so etc. So let's talk about pronoun. So pro means in favor of or supporting of. So look at this line. Mesh is eating rice. Then Ramesh will go to school. After coming from school, Ramesh will go to play. So in these 3 sentences, the word Ramesh is used 3 times. So in this busy world, there is no time to write such a lengthy sentence by repeating a word again and again. That's why grammar prescribes us to write a word instead of noun or in the place of noun. The word which is written in the place of noun, that is called pronoun. So I think you all know about the example of pronoun, just like he, she, I, we, you, they, all are pronoun. So there are singular pronoun, there are plural pronoun also. Singular pronoun कौन है? He, she, I. Then plural, they, we. You is the common, means you singular में भी use होता है, you plural में भी use होता है. Just example, Shakespeare is the greatest playwright of the English literature. He wrote so many plays, so many sonnets. So here I use the word he instead of repeating Shakespeare word again and again. So he is a pronoun. He is used for male. She is used for female. We can use pronoun in possessive case also. Look at this sentence. Anisa is an innocent girl as same as her mother. Anisa is an innocent girl as same as her mother. So here her mother means Anisa's mother. As I told you in the part of noun, Rahul's bag mean bag का owner कौन है? राहुल. Then here Anisa's mother, Anisa की माँ. So here her word is used as the possessive case also. Her word is used instead of Anisa's, means Anisa apostrophe s. So now you can understand how the pronoun is also used as in the possessive case also. So in my future video, which is specifically made for pronoun, I will discuss in detail about the pronoun. So now let's talk about adjective. So what is adjective? Adjective is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. Adjective is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. So look at this line. Michael Jackson is a good dancer. Michael Jackson is a good dancer. Michael Jackson किस तरह का dancer है? वो good dancer है. Means good word used for whom? Good word used for Michael Jackson. Means Michael Jackson is the noun, the name of a person. So good word used for the Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson is a good dancer. So here the good word denotes Michael Jackson. So good is the adjective. Understand? Another sentence. The police department plays a vital role in the country. The police department plays a vital role in the country. So which one is adjective? The vital role. Police department plays a vital role in the country. So vital role is the adjective. Vital role denotes police department. That's why the police department is the noun. That's why vital role is the adjective, because it qualifies a noun. As I told you, adjective only defines noun or pronoun. It only defines noun or pronoun, none other else. So there are types of adjective which we will discuss in our future video. So now let's talk about verb. What is verb? Verb means कार्य. आप हर कोई जानता है. So now let's talk about the definition. Verb is a word. Verb is a word which shows the action, state or position. Verb is a word which shows the action, state or position. Then, so now let's see the action. Shahrukh Khan acts very well. Shahrukh Khan acts very well. Means Shahrukh Khan कर क्या रहा है? वो act कर रहा है. He acts very well. So here the act word shows the action. Next, Shahrukh Khan is the superstar of Bollywood industry. शाहरुख खान इज द सुपरस्टार ऑफ बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री. शाहरुख खान बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री के सुपरस्टार है. दैट मीन्स दिस शोज द स्टेट. शाहरुख खान बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री के सुपरस्टार है. ये स्टेट को शो कर रहा है. वो कौन स्टेट पर है? मीन्स वो पोजीशन को शो कर रहा है. वो कौन सी पोजीशन पर है? वो सुपरस्टार के पोजीशन पे है. दैट मीन्स दिस वन इज ऑल्सो स्टेट. सो नेक्स्ट, possession. This one is position. Shahrukh Khan is the superstar of Bollywood industry. This one is position or set. Now let's talk about possession. Possession means I have 2 mangoes. So have is used as the possession case, as the possession verb. Means मेरे पास 2 आम है. मैं वो 2 आम की owner. Word have shows the possession case of a verb. So there are types of verbs also, main verb, helping verb. There are forms of verbs also, finite or non-finite. There are active voice, passive voice. There are tenses of verbs also. So which we will discuss in our future video, which is specifically made for verb. Now let's talk about adverb. Adverb is a word which qualifies a verb, a preposition, a conjunction, an adjective and adverb itself. Means ये अपने आप को भी qualify करता है. Adverb, from this word you all can guess that which adds something to a verb. Which adds something to a verb. So let's take the first sentence. Swati dances well. Swati dances well. Means Swati अच्छा नाचती है. Swati is the noun, is the subject also. Dances is the verb. Then what the word well is? Swati dances well. What the word well is? वो अच्छा कर रही है, अच्छा क्या कर रही है, वो नाचती अच्छा है. So here the word well doesn't qualify Swati. Here the word well only qualifies the word dance, means verb. वो अच्छा नाचती है. So here the adverb is well, means well word only qualifies the word dance. That's why well is the adverb. Then Swati dances very well. Swati dances well and Swati dances very well. So what the word very is? Swati is a noun or subject. Dances is a verb. Well is an adverb. Then what the word very is? So स्वाति अच्छा नाचती है. स्वाति बहुत ही अच्छा नाचती है. कितना अच्छा? बहुत अच्छा. Means here the word very only denotes the word well. That means very is also an adverb because it qualifies itself also. Means well is an adverb. So very is an adverb. That means the very word, the very adverb qualifies an adverb. Then let's see how it qualifies an adjective. So look at this sentence. Ram is a very good boy. Ram is a very good boy. So now Ram is the noun, is helping verb, then very good boy. As you all know, good is an adjective because it denotes Ram. Ram is the very good boy. What the word very is? Very denotes good. राम अच्छा बालक है. कितना अच्छा बालक है? वेरी गुड. सो वो बहुत ही अच्छा बालक है. सो मीन्स वेरी वर्ड डिनोट्स द वर्ड गुड, मीन्स एडजेक्टिव. गुड इज एन एडजेक्टिव. हियर द वर्ड वेरी डिनोट्स द एडजेक्टिव. So there are adverb of time, place, manner, frequency, degree. All we are discussed in our future video, which is specifically made for adverb. So then let's talk about preposition. So what is a preposition? Preposition, position से पहले जो word use होता है, that is called preposition. So now let's talk about the definition. What is the preposition? Preposition is the word which links a noun or pronoun with another word. Preposition is the word which links a noun or pronoun with another word. So look at this sentence. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. So here the book is the noun. Is word. Is the helping verb. On the table. Table is also a noun. Then what the word on is? On means ऊपर. ऊपर. Book table के ऊपर है. So here the word on links the word table with the book. So on word table को book सहित connect करुची. Table को the word book के साथ वो connect करता है. So here on is the preposition. बुक कहां पर है? बुक टेबल के ऊपर है. सो द बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. ऑन इज द प्रीपोजिशन. ही इज गुड एट इंग्लिश. सो हियर व्हिच वर्ड लिंक्स बिटवीन इंग्लिश एंड ही? द वर्ड आर्ट. वो इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा है. ही इज गुड एट इंग्लिश. सो हियर द वर्ड आर्ट लिंक्स द इंग्लिश with the pronoun he. So art is the preposition. So there are so many types of preposition: in, on, at, to, behind, below, above, beside. So we will all discuss in our future video. So let's talk about conjunction. What is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word which connects two or more sentences. Conjunction is a word which connects two or more sentences. ये एक वर्ड है जो एक से अधिक sentences को अपने आप में जोड़ता है. जैसे कि look at this sentence. He is not talking to you. He is not talking to you. He is upset right now. So these are two sentences. he is not talking to you, he is upset right now. So how can we connect this? So here we can use because. वो आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि वो अभी अपसेट है. So he is not talking to you because he is upset right now. So here the word because acts like a conjunction. The word because connects two sentences and make it one. Then another example is Ram is playing football. Syam is also playing football. Ram is playing football. Syam is also playing football. दोनों ही football खेल रहे हैं. So if we make it one sentence, then which conjunction we will use? The word and. Ram and Syam are playing football. Ram and Syam are playing football. So now you can see that Ram is playing football. Here we use the helping verb is, and Syam is playing football. So here the is word also used. But when we make it one, the word are arise. So why singular helping verb becomes the plural? Ram and Syam are playing football. So similarly, there are so many types of conjunction, neither nor, either or, between. So there are so many types of. Sorry. Between is the preposition. It's not a conjunction. So in our future video, we will discuss in detail about conjunction. Let's talk about interjection. So what is interjection? Interjection is a word which shows our sudden feeling, just like our pain, our happiness, our surprise, etc. So ये एक word है जो हमारे sudden feelings को show कर रहा है. जैसे कि wow, what a beautiful day. Wow, what a beautiful day. So the word wow shows our happiness. It shows our surprise also. Then alas, he is no more. Alas, he is no more. So here someone passed away. So the word alas shows the pain. The word alas shows the pain. So alas is the interjection. Then hooray, Sachin won the match. Hooray, Sachin won the match. So the word hooray shows our happiness, sudden happiness. So hooray, Sachin won the match. So here the word hooray is the interjection. So now you all get the basic knowledge about the parts of speech. But it's not the end. As I told you to make separate video about the parts of speech. So as I told you before, at the end of my every video, I will give you some translation which you can use in your day-to-day life. So those translations are, write down please. तुम मेरी आखरी उम्मीद हो, तुमे हेउच मोर शेष आशा. You are my last hope. You are my last hope. Then परसों आना जोटा कि आमे ओडिया रे कहिता पहर दिन. So परसों आना. So the English version is come day after tomorrow. Come day after tomorrow. Then the third one is ऐसी गलती दोबारा मत करना. ऐसी गलती दोबारा मत करना. एमिति भूल second time करिबो नाही. एमिति भूल आउ थरे करिबो नाही. So the English version is don't repeat the same mistake again. Don't repeat the same mistake again. So these are some translation which you can use in your day-to-day life also, in your while talking to your friends, while talking to your family members. In this way you can also improve your English spoken quality. So see you in my next video. Till then, Jai Jagannath.